Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start your Valentine's Day quest on Fish. So you're just going to go to Mosewood and you're just going to go to this NPC. Press talk. Happy Valentine's Day, the best way to celebrate. Real instant free rewards while you're at it. Let's see what you've got. As you can see, you'll need to collect 5,000 fishes. But if you are with somebody, you can kind of like split with them so they can catch 2,500 fishes and you can catch 2,500 fishes to get the maximum reward. To send the person the request, you're just going to send request and you're going to select send. I'm going to do this solo because I don't got time for this Valentine's Day couple stuff, but if you want to, that is pretty much how you can do it. You can fish anywhere, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!